Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best paint protection films on Amazon. You can avoid the stress of repairing or waxing over the scratches by wrapping your vehicle's body with paint protection film. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Cloudbuyer Edge Guard Protection Film. With a roll of Cloudbuyer Edge Guard Protection Film, you'll have exactly what you need to protect the flat areas of your car's exterior. Edges, doors, bumpers, and sills are all suitable for this film, as long as they are curve-free and perfectly flat. It will prevent scratches, scuffs, and paint chipping with a great level of wear resistance, a high temperature resistance, and anti-aging formulation to prevent yellowing over time. It's even water-resistant and able to be removed without a trace, giving you great versatility now and into the future. Take your time applying this protective film to your vehicle. It's hard to master without leaving fingerprints behind, and the directions aren't very clear, which can make mistakes more likely. What we like about it: temperature resistant. Protects against chips, scratches, and scuffs. No residue when removed. Versatile. What we don't like about it: difficult to apply without fingerprints. Directions aren't the clearest. Number 2. Zpel Clear Universal Paint Protection Film Kit. The Zpel Clear Universal Paint Protection Film Kit includes a 60-inch by 2 3/4-inch roll of polyurethane film intended to protect the inside of a vehicle's door jambs. It also comes with a plastic scraper to help smooth out the film. This clear film kit does a good job of protecting the surface from scratches, chips, and scuffs. The door jamb area can be prone to taking abuse from boots and shoes, and the Zpel kit works as intended. We also like that it makes the door sill easy to clean, and you can hardly tell it's there once installed. There are only a few problems that I see with the Zpel kit. The kit is intended to protect your door sills, but there might not be enough to protect all of them. What we like about it: for high-traffic door jambs. Includes installation accessories. Blends in. Protects against scratches, chips, and scuffs. What we don't like about it: best for small areas. May not fit easily onto oddly shaped areas. Number 3. Install Pros Self-Healing Clear Paint Protection Film Kit. When it comes to the areas of your car that are banged, bumped, touched, and stepped on most often, the Install Pros Self-Healing Clear Paint Protection Film Kit can handle it all. While this paint protection film won't cover large areas of your vehicle, it will protect some of the most high-traffic areas from chipping, scratching, and scuffing. This thinner film is 8 mm thick and highly durable, able to withstand frequent damage-causing events thanks to its self-healing nature. It's even clear-coated to prevent yellowing over time. Application is permanent, so you'll want to be careful and take your time. What we like about it: tough. Protects from chips, scratches, and more. Appears invisible. Self-healing. What we don't like about it: requires careful application. Might not adhere if stretched too much. Number 4. Track Armor Temporary Track Day Paint Protection. The Track Armor Temporary Track Day Paint Protection features a clear adhesive film that is designed for road trips, autocross, or a day at the track. It's a temporary solution that protects your vehicle at high speeds from rock chips, tire chunk marks, and other debris. It comes with a felt-tipped squeegee and takes just a few minutes to apply. The polyplastic film looks a lot better than the blue tape you often see at the track. What we like about it: withstands heavy weather. Protects against track debris. Thick. Won't change in temperature extremes. What we don't like about it: visible after application. May peel back after time. Number 5. 3M Clear Paint Surface Protection Vinyl Film. When it comes to paint protection, it's hard to top a roll of 3M Clear Paint Surface Protection Vinyl Film. The thick polyurethane film is 6 mm thick and can keep your paint safe from chipping, scratching, and other road damage. Once installed, the film is virtually invisible, meaning it can blend seamlessly into your exterior. What we like about it: virtually invisible. Protects against chips, scratches, and other road damage. Lasts up to 5 years. Extra thick. What we don't like about it: higher price. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.